A beautiful home is one where comfort meets creativity, and textiles are the threads which bind them together. So it's a real pleasure to be here at the 19th edition of HGH, which is a premier exhibition of home textiles, home decor, and home handicrafts and furnishing. So textiles have been the oldest ambassadors, our global ambassadors, where fabrics from Coromandel coast used to be shipped to Europe and West Asia, and their furnishings, their curtains, their upholstery in the 16th and 17th century would be from India. There was a time when our exports, they imposed duties to protect their domestic sectors. So that was the craze for Indian food, textiles back in those days when globalization had not hit. Today also we are, the home textiles sector is having the fastest growth, year-on-year growth of around 17%, and it is around 16% of our entire basket, including ready-made garments. So it plays a very important role. Secondly, there are, with the free trade agreements coming up, and the India-UK FTA is going to kick in very soon, in a couple of days, and the EU FTA has been signed, the Oman FTA has been signed, so we have signed FTAs with 56 countries now. But I would like to urge that this window is very narrow. We are only at the edge till the time the other countries don't sign up their FTAs. So this is the time for us where we need to innovate, we need to diversify our markets. We don't need to depend solely on a few countries, but also diversify our markets, innovate our products according to the demand. And we have set an ambitious target of $100 billion exports by 2030 and a market size of $350 billion for our textile market. As the Textile Commissioner, Government of India, I would like to tell that the Government of India has come up with very good schemes like the Export Promotion Scheme by DGFT, Ministry of Commerce. There are announcements in the Union Budget for upgradation of your plant and machinery, for the Tex Eco scheme, because sustainability is no more a buzzword. It has become part of the strategy for any business. So there is a focus on sustainable textiles, on circularity, on traceability of our food textiles, and I think this is a very good platform where all the manufacturers, buyers, designers can all come together and lay a path where we achieve all our targets by 2030. Thank you so much, and I thank all the organizers, Mr. Gupta, Mr. Gupta, and all your office bearers for such a nice exhibition. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I will take my